The following video is a Sharp hydraulic surface grinder. It's the model SH2059. The serial number of the unit is 60611-02.
Alright, we currently have the machine on the power. It's wired for 220 volts. You can see that the spindle is running and is extremely quiet, as well as the hydraulics. We have our magnet on here with our variable release, also the time it takes to release, or we can shut it off and we can demag. And you see that it lets go of the tool. And go ahead and turn that back on again. We have a wrap it up of the column, the grinding wheel, and a wrap it down where you have to press this button and this as a safety, otherwise you can't do it. And then you have automatic cross feed or manual cross feed, in which case, as you select a direction, the column will travel. Put it back in automatic. Hydraulics. See our cross slide is moving forward now. Dogs are mounted on the side of the column for reversal or your stroke.
Feeding in.
The amount of this travel can be adjusted here. Very short, shallow steps. Full step. Above the wheel is mounted a dresser, micrometer type dresser. You come across the wheel and then back again, making your adjustments on the top. You've got an automatic lubrication system mounted on the side of the machine. It cycles oil through the machine every 15 or 20 minutes. And then your down feed is on this machine by hand. You take a cut, and when you're ready, you take another cut. Machine's equipped with a coolant system, paper band coolant system. Very quiet grinder. Barely hear it running. Show you inside the electrical cabinet. And these are the trip dogs for setting the stroke of your cross slide, as well as your limit switches for limiting the travel so you don't go too far. Thank you very much.
Again, the following video is a Sharp hydraulic surface grinder, model SH2059.